Alright guys, so as we've seen in my previous BONK coin video, now BONK is up 50% or almost 60% here so far, guys, since it is getting listed on CoinBase and it is getting listed today, guys, and in few hours it's gonna be possible to trade BONK on CoinBase, guys. Now, which is a bullish news, of course, guys, as we've seen on my previous BONK coin video. I told you guys now that previously I've got into that BONK coin at these lows. Now I got 50% off my spot holdings here on BONK coin, basically because right now, guys, we've seen a huge pump right now going on BONK, and because usually when a coin get listed on exchanges it sees a drop. Now as well, I told you guys yesterday that if we see the listing happening, we're gonna see a last squeeze up, and this is what's happening here so far on BONK. We're seeing a 60% pump here going on so far, and we still got like 2-3 hours here for BONK to get listed. Now, so by the time I'll upload this video, probably it's gonna be listed by then. Now here in this video, guys, we're gonna go through some short-term charts here or some local time frames chart here on BONK and try to look into where BONK could go here on the short term, especially after getting listed on that Coinbase here today, guys. So as usual, guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to stay updated, and check out FairDesk if you are trading derivatives. There's a huge bonus going on right now, and you don't need no KYC, no VPN. You can trade from anywhere in the world. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. Now we are going towards that BONK. Now guys, exactly as predicted, I told you yesterday we could see a 50% pump going on into that Coinbase listing. Now we need to go towards the low time frames to really see what's going on here. Now here today, guys, we've seen a massive rally on those local time frames on BONK, and what we can look at here is strong uptrend still going on BONK. BONK is not giving up, and we're seeing a sustained volume, a sustained healthy volume so far here. We're not seeing some huge spikes, which usually indicates selling. Now there is no selling going on so far here on BONK, which is a good sign to see right now going on into that listing. Now where do I think we can go, guys? Now so far we took that 50% off. Now BONK still looks like it wants up, especially right now, guys. We've seen Bitcoin recently now seeing a huge dump or a flash crash after there were some hacks going on recently today, guys, with Ledger, MetaMask and whatnot going on today. Bitcoin seen a quick flash. Now BONK held up like a champ here, did not see any flash crashes or not that substantial ones. Now we can see we closed that hourly very good, very bullish, so this indicates that we could see still some pumps going on here, some of those juicy pumps going on here on BONK. Now with BONK, guys, we are lucky because we do have Pepe coin as an example to kind of draw conclusions of what could happen here with BONK. Now we can see here, now this is the first day that Pepe coin got listed on Binance. Now that day, guys, Pepe coin rallied another 121%, so that's a huge rally on Pepe coin just right after it got listed on Binance. Now we haven't seen BONK listed yet, so in 2 hours probably we're gonna see that happening. Now once that happens, guys, are we gonna go another 100%? That's very likely. As we can see here now, today BONK is standing at $900 million market cap, which is pretty close to that 1 billion and to where Pepe coin has been in the past, or Pepe coin has reached that $1.25 billion market cap. Now can we see this going on here with BONK? This is very likely, and especially as well, guys, we know now Coinbase has some of those largest whales and largest players as well are taking shelter in that Coinbase, and we could see that. Now a 120% is very likely as well, guys, here on BONK to see today or tomorrow on that daily candle, as we can see here on BONK coin. Now where this would put the BONK coin price, now let's say we are getting listed in 2 hours, so we're gonna go to those 2-hour candles, and the next one, let's say we close it here, and 121%, guys, here pump on BONK will put the price somewhere here, so that's gonna be around that 33, which is not bad. Now if you remember, guys, what I told you on that previous BONK video, now what we see here is that Pepe coin rallied 121%, and that was it, guys, and after that we've seen Pepe coin dumping 80%. So here, guys, You may not like what I have to say, but I just want to warn you guys. I'm just the messenger, and I as well bought BONK at the dips, and I'm in profits, and I sold half of my BONK for the same reason, and I still do believe that BONK is gonna be one of those major meme coins in the future. But we can all agree here, guys, that we're in crypto space to make money, and that's basically it. We are here to make money, and it is just smart to be ready for this scenario to happen if we do see a 80% retrace. Now, where this would put the price, now an 80% drop here, guys, this is where this could take the price, an 80% drop, given that we pump another 120%. Now, if this happens, guys, this would bring back the price, deleted 10, and then we are gonna get that 62 or 0.62. We're gonna go from 33 to 0.62, guys. Now, that's what I say, guys. If we do see a 100% pump, it would be very wise to take some profits here. So at least 50%, guys, at least 50% to take some profits if you see this happening, and then you can add lower, or at least that's what I am planning to do. If you're planning to hold BONK for the future, for the bull market, you still can do way better. You still can hold at 50%, and it's still gonna yield higher profits, given that we get that major bull market and BONK coin rallies hard and reaches those 50 billion and above in the market cap. And that's what I think is a wise thing to do right now here, guys. If we do see that 121%, we're probably gonna get a huge sell-off after that, as I explained on my previous BONK video, guys, for those that missed it. Now, what usually happens, guys, why these coins they dump when we see a listing on exchanges is very important to understand. Now, most people saw BONK here. Now, most people just started to talk about BONK around these highs. Now, you need to understand that there are a lot of connected whales. People with 6 figures, people with 7 figures are trading on chain. They have their MetaMask wallets, they have their Solana wallets, their Phantom wallets, and they buy those coins very, very early because they are connected. They have a network, they know the teams, they get early on into those projects. And these people, they buy hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of these coins, and they bought BONK right at the lows. And let's say they bought $100,000, and BONK now did so far from the lows here, guys, we're up almost 80x. And if we get another 100% going toward the 33, guys, so the 33 we're gonna get towards 150x if we go there. If today BONK pumps another 100%, that means that's gonna be a 15,000% pump overall from the lows, or what we call a 150x. So these people, guys, are gonna be standing looking at $15 million in profits, and they cannot sell it if they go to that Radium DeFi exchange because of liquidity problems. Giants wallets and wallets whales, they can't sell mostly on chain because they need exchanges to sell. They need liquidity. They don't have liquidity, they can't sell. When they will click swap, it will tell them slippage too high or whatever, price impact too high, they can't sell. That's what usually happens when you have big holdings of any coins. You basically cannot sell. Now, what this happens, guys, what this means when a coin gets listed on an exchange, like which we've seen with Pepe coin, a lot of whales had millions of dollars worth of Pepe coin, and they could finally sell it. And this is what this green candle is for, guys. This pump here is basically an exit liquidity for these whales. Now, as the coin gets listed into the exchange, market makers and automated trading and whatever the exchange has going on, they have this infrastructure that is made so to facilitate buying and selling, and that helps those whales to sell. So while the price is going up, they are selling, they are offloading their bags, and that's when it gives that blow off top, and then we see a dump. So I'm just telling you what's likely to happen, guys. If we do see 120%, which is gonna be really, really good, even people that bought the top right now are gonna be really happy with those gains. So what I would be doing if I bought the top here, I'm just gonna be selling 50% just to be ready for any scenario to happen. If we do see an 80% drop, I'll be happy to buy more. And if we see an increases in prices and BONK never stops and just keeps going even after 150x, then I'll be still happy because I'm still holding 50%. That's the way to go, guys. That's the way, because the goal is to make money, guys. The goal is to make money. The people that get early in the coins here, guys, they don't care about any project. They don't care what the project has to offer or the community. They are here to make money. So you as well should do the same. And that's what I am saying. saying, guys. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you guys the data and what could happen and what happened to Pepe coin, and you are free to do whatever you want. I'm just laying down what's usually happens. Now, as I said yesterday, and it's still going exactly as I said we could see another squeeze up 50% from that dip, and we've seen that happening so far. Now, looking back at Pepe coin here, seeing that daily candle as soon as it got listed on Binance rallied 120%. Now we could still see that. We could see 100%, we could see another 50%, maybe we could see a 200%, we cannot tell. But just be careful, guys. That first daily candle, after it closes, that's it. Probably that's what gonna be it, and then the sell-off's gonna start. So you wanna keep that in mind. And as usual, guys, I'll keep you updated on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe as well. And even though you don't like my message here, guys, I'm just being the messenger. I'm just showing you I do like BONK. I got into BONK way earlier, guys. I got into BONK here, and if you check out my channel where I shared the top 5 meme coins I think are gonna be massive in the bull market, I got into BONK here, and I'm being transparent with you guys, and I told you I sold half here. That's just what's going on. If it keeps pumping, I'm happy with it, and if it's dump, I'm happy with it. Whatever happens, I already made my profits, and I already still hold my BONK, and whatever happens from here is just gains for me. And that's what you should do, guys. When you see those huge rallies, if you missed BONK right now, if you're watching, if you don't own any BONK, now my message, guys, is it's too late. Actually, even if you hear me saying we could see another 120%, it's still a very high risk, because we could just roll over from here. And that's the deal, guys. You want to look for those massive rewards as well. You need to look at that risk reward ratio. If the risk is high, you want also your reward to be high. Now, people that got into BONK here, the reward ratio, the risk to reward ratio was pretty high. Even though if we got a dip from here, we could still be waiting for another pump, and the drawdown won't be that high. And as well, look at that massive pump. So that's the benefit, or that's reward from holding or buying at these lows. You get rewarded. So the point here, guys, is you want to find the next thing. You want to find the next coin that could do this. That's basically it. You want to find the next coin that could do this, and you want to be looking at them. You want to be going to that coin market cap. As I explained on my yesterday's BONK video, you want to go there and you want to look at what I said there at the end, how you can find those next meme coins. As meme coins, guys, they keep proving to be very, very lucrative here. They keep proving that they are the coins that if you are in crypto and you want to make it big, so the meme coins is the way to go, guys. I never seen any other coins other than meme coins doing any massive rallies, unless you are connected and you have a network and you found Solana at 0.4 or you found ADA at 0.001 or whatever. That's very unlikely to happen for any average guy, guys. That does not happen to people like us. Unless you're connected, you have a huge network and you know these people that launch these coins, it's very likely that you'll find any of those major coins early on, unless you are into that meme coin. As meme coin, usually they do have that side where those massive venture capitalists, they do not look into them, so there is not much of that pre-sale and discrimination going on where only people with big wallets can jump in early. That's why I like meme coins. Is it's pretty fair. It's pretty fair. If you have $100, if you have $1,000, if you have $10,000, anyone can take a shot. There is no favorism going on. There is no discrimination if you don't have any good network and if you don't know the right people. That's why I like meme coins, guys. That's the point, and it's pretty simple to understand and jump and find early meme coins. If you just follow the right people, it's pretty easy to find them. And as well, if you get into the right groups on Telegram, they're mostly free. On the right Discord, you can join as well. My Discord is free to join, and that's how it goes, guys. That's how it goes. Now, as I told you guys yesterday, I've checked these rats yesterday, and I told you I'm getting into some rats here, and now it's up 58% today as well. Now, this coin, this rats, is a meme coin on that ordinals, which is the BRC20 or the Bitcoin blockchain, which is the next hot tank right now, where people are gonna flow back when those whales are gonna sell here. They're gonna jump into the next hot tank. That's what they do usually. They swap. They don't want to withdraw or anything, pay taxes on those things. They jump into the next coins, and usually they spread. So they're gonna probably go into the next meme coins. Now, the ones I found right now, guys, is this rats, and of course there is Grok right now. It's pretty hot as well, and there is Fufu, and there is a bunch of other meme coins. But so far, the rats is seeing that rally going on right now, guys. Anyways, you can watch my yesterday's BONK video and you'll see more in details here what's going on. Anyways, guys, as usual, nothing is financial advice, and I want to thank you so much for hanging out here today and watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.